Hi! Tomorrow I am going to Hawaii and I'm so darn excited. So right now I am running in to get a pedicure so my toes are completely ready, and then we're running to Ulta to grab a couple like travel mini things. So let's go. Just finished getting my toes done. I have a happy new pedicure for Hawaii. I'm so excited. Yeah, my husband just texted that we're already checked in for our flight, which is really, really cool, even though it's tomorrow morning. And now we're at Ulta to pick up a few travel minis. So let's run in there now. Okay, let me show you what I got. Well, I got a free something. That's nice. I got an Urban Decay all-nighter, the travel size. Travel size of my triple sec by Dry Bar. Love that stuff. A couple more brown Invisibobbles. Really, really like these for my hair. I got this free for some reason. Don't know why. Got this, the It brush cleaner in a tiny size for travel. A waterproof, oops, you see? A travel size waterproof Better Than Sex mascara. And I got the Smashbox Cover Shop Matte palette. I thought that that would be nice. This just has the basics pretty much in there. And, oh, these are the basic colors. That seems easy, slim, tiny to travel with. Perfect. So that's what I ended up getting. Okay, we're going to try to do 2 carry-ons only, but if that doesn't work, we're going to have 1 checked luggage and 2 carry-ons. Oh my gosh. I have been putting this off and putting this off and putting this off. I need to start packing. That's all there is to it, so this is what I'm going to do. It's time to pack. Okay, so far I have it narrowed down to what I'm going to wear on the plane, and the shoes I want to bring, and PJs, it's like little shorts and the top thing. I have another pair over there. I've just got some, basically this bag is going to be my carry-on bag, so I definitely have this with me. And then Jim's taking a carry-on bag too, and what he's packed so far is snacks. And then this is going to be our other extra bag that we're going to check. So if this one ends up going to San Francisco instead of Hawaii, we still have things that we can get through our trip, because we've had lost luggage so many times. That's just how it always goes. So we're going to do that, and then this will give me extra room for like my toiletries and things. So if all I have is this bag, I have enough here to get by. Now this is a bag that we got when we were in Hawaii. They gave it to us when we were at the Four Seasons on the Big Island. It folds completely flat, and it's absolutely wonderful for a beach bag. So we can just completely flatten that and put it at the bottom of that other bag. So I'm excited to take this back to Hawaii, where it came from. So yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. Now I'm trying to figure out my jewelry. I have this lovely jewelry pouch that I really do enjoy a lot. Highly recommend this one. But my necklaces tend to still always get a little bit tangled up. So I've done the straw technique. I don't know if you guys are aware of that. Am I the only one who does this? I don't know. But string your pieces through a straw. It's lightweight and keeps them from tangling up with one another. So yeah, I do that too. Yeah, and then I wonder if those will fit. Yeah, looks like they will. Perfect. Great. I always bring a scarf with me, and this is the one I chose this time. I figured that the colors were, and the theme was tropical enough that it would go with just about anything that I could possibly need to throw it on with, so without it being too tropical and whatnot. So yeah, this is the scarf I'm bringing. Love it. I'm going to be bringing these 2 luggage tags with me also, because I want to have them embossed at LV in Maui with the Hawaii stamp. I'm still questioning this one. This one I definitely want the Hawaii stamp, but on this one I think I might just want a J, but I'm not positive. So anyway, I'm bringing them and we'll see what happens, because on one of the days we're taking a ferry over to Maui. Yeah. Now here comes this question. I've got the rolling carry-on bag and we have one checked bag. I can take another bag. So, do I take my Keep All 45? Do I take my Neverfull GM or my Neverfull MM, sorry, Neverfull MM, or my U.S.A. MM? This one I could then use as a bag for sightseeing and whatnot and throw a water bottle and stuff in. I mean, I could this one also. This would be a little big for running around. I don't really need this much extra space. This is for usually when I'm not taking a checked bag also. So it's probably between the U.S.A. and the Neverfull MM, because that I don't really need that size either. And these could be, either one could be used for a runaround bag. So, which will it be? I'm also bringing an extension cord. It's something I almost always bring on every trip because there's not always a plug-in on my side of the bed, and I want my phone next to me and plugged in charging all night. So I bring an extension cord. It's looking good. I have this packed to where it's gonna be. I put all my makeup in here and I'm going to use it tomorrow morning, and that way I know that if there's something in here that I don't have because I'm getting ready, then I can put it in there. So that's my plan, and it fits perfectly in there. These are my toiletries that are in my TSA thing. I love this travel pouch. It is fantastic. It's carry-on approved, it's TSA approved, and it fits so much because of the shape. It's not like a Ziploc bag that is like a little wider and then goes narrow at the top or whatever to zip. It just, you can put so much in here, and I love it. So those are all my like liquids and whatnots. So excited about that. It fits perfectly right there. And then in my iPad, I downloaded 7 episodes of The Housewives of Orange County. And that will keep me occupied on the plane. Yeah. Husband seems to have packed more than snacks now. And that's our other bag of just extra stuff, and has room for a few things that might come home with us. Okay. I've decided to take my U.S.A. MM with me, and I put everything in there and it fits perfectly. And just generally speaking, I have my phone in here. As you can see, it definitely zips up. I have room on top here for a scarf and my sweater wrap thing. I have what I call my trip file, just all the confirmations and stuff for the things we've, figured out. This is my camera pouch. Basically, I keep my camera that I'm using, it's in my other hand, and chargers and so forth in here that I have it with me all the time. I have my iPad. I have this, it's just like my junk drawer, so to speak, with different things like, headache medication and whatnot. And then here I have my organizer, this whole thing, with my passport. I know I don't really need it. I'm going to Hawaii, and that's part of our country, but I need it to get on the plane from Honolulu to Lanai. Long story. I brought my Victorine, it's smaller, and my Kindle. Got my Kindle with me, and my sunnies, and this pouch. So I've just got all the things I could possibly need, and there's room in here still for a water bottle and my scarf possibly, and my wrap, my little sweatery thing. And so this is the one I'm taking with me. So this will go under the seat in front of me, and I also have my roller bag thing. Yeah, getting excited. Well, that's it. I have finished. I think I'm completely finished packing everything, pretty much. My husband just went to go get some food for us, and we'll be having dinner, and then I will be spending the evening trying to figure out what I forgot. And then we go early in the morning. Thanks so much for joining me. Appreciate it. Bye.